Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. I know I haven't been on here in forever. If you follow me over on my Instagram, you know what's been going on. But for those of you who don't, my youngest was hospitalized. He's actually still in the hospital. He has mycoplasma pneumonia. I just quickly wanted to say thank you to everyone that has been praying for my son. When I posted it on my Instagram, I got so many comments, and a lot of you were just saying that you were praying for him, and you guys kept checking in on me. So I just, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I would not have been able to get through it without God and all of you guys and my family. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your prayers. And this is future me talking. I did quickly want to update you guys. My son is home and he's doing well. God willing, we can bring my son home soon. So anyhow, we're gonna decorate for fall. Finally, I'm actually going to be sprinkling in a tiny little bit of Halloween, and then once, you know, October gets closer, I'm gonna add more spooky stuff. I hope that you guys enjoy today's video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So sorry, real quick before we get started, I forgot to mention my sweater. It is from HotTopic. It's super cute. It has these little ghosties with the mushrooms and the fox and pumpkins. I will link it for you guys if it's still available. Okay, starting off in this little section here next to my sink, I am going to be wiping down my countertops with this multi-purpose cleaner that I've purchased at Marshall's. It's in the scent Pumpkin Chai, and yes, pumpkin is misspelled. I didn't realize it when I bought it at the store, but it smells really good. It kind of reminds me of that Nest Pumpkin Chai hand soap that's really popular. But anyhow, I'm going to decorate this area as simple as possible. I'm really not adding any fall decorations except for a book that says harvest. That's pretty much as fall as it's going to get here, just because I use this little section here to prep food when I'm cooking. So I wanted to keep it really simple.
Train just left this town while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. I'm not asking for your thoughts, I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness.
So I went into Walmart the other day, and please tell me I'm not the only one that's a sucker for these types of things. I found a pumpkin spice power wash, and I also found these spooky nuggets, and I just had to get them. I don't know what it was. It's just like the little things that make me happy. But we're just going to go ahead and clean my sink and then add some decorations.
There's no point, 'cause we both know. From here there's nowhere to go. Someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. I can see
This mushroom garland is from Home Goods, and honestly guys, I was trying to avoid buying anything mushrooms because I didn't want to admit that I was drawn to them. But you know what? I'm embracing it. I love them. Just give me all the mushrooms and I will decorate my whole house with them. But let's move on to this little section here. All I did was move my boards here, and I added this basket to hide the chargers that we have. I also picked up this print. I can't remember the name of the shop, but I'll link it for you guys. But how cute is this picture with the little boy and his little bucket? I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. And the frame, I believe, is from Home Goods. All right, so over here next to my toaster, I wanted to add this lamp that I purchased from Target. It's from the new Hearth and Hand collection. And I was trying to figure out a way to hide the cord. And I figured out this little trick. I don't know if everybody knew about this and I'm just late to the game. But did you guys know you can just stuff the cord into the lamp itself? I didn't know that. So I just figured I'd share it with you guys in case you're like me and you had no idea. All right, now let's start decorating my open shelves. I went ahead and started with the top shelf off camera just because, I don't know, it was just easier for me. The garland is from IKEA, and all of those mixing bowls, I think they're from World Market. I can't remember. I've had them for a really, really long time. But anyhow, for my open shelves, I really wanted to add oranges and some moody colors. I don't know, I was just craving that. Also, I wanted to point out that I kind of rushed through decorating my kitchen just because I had to head out to the hospital this day. So there is a couple things that I would like to tweak or change, but I think I'm just gonna wait and just leave it for another video. So this little pumpkin dish here that you see comes with a lid, and I couldn't find it. I spent an hour looking for it in my bins, and I just gave up. I know it's gonna come up later, but whatever. For now, I just threw some Hobby Lobby stems in there and called it a day. I am also going to be adding this really cute canister. It's a Snoopy canister that I got last year that I never used. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone, I'm not gonna lie, because it's from Rae Dunn and I'm not really into Rae Dunn anymore. But that whole like great pumpkin thing with the Snoopy and the jack-o'-lantern in the front just gave me that nostalgic feeling, and I just really wanted to use it. So I don't know what these are called. Honeycomb paper pumpkins. I don't know. They're from World Market. They come in a set of 3. I think they're so cute. I think they were like 20 bucks. And they came in the pumpkin set and also the mushroom set. So you know, I grabbed both. The only thing is the mushrooms didn't fit in my open shelf, so I just used the pumpkin ones. And then in the next shelf, I'm going to be adding a basket, which isn't the cutest thing, nor is it my favorite, but it's functional. We need it, so I'm going to go ahead and put that there. These plates here are also from World Market. I swear I bought so many things from World Market. They were on sale, so I just took advantage.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you.
These cups here are from World Market. I got them on sale for about $6. I know that Marshalls and Home Goods have some similar ones.
And you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of.
Now that we're done with the open shelves, I'm going to quickly just wipe everything down here next to my stove. That way I can go ahead and add some decorations.
Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh.
This little riser is from Maggie & Co. I got it a while back, but I think they still have it. This little pumpkin dish is from World Market, and I just put my garlic in there. I'm also going to add this little wicker pumpkin basket that I got from Walmart. And then I'm going to add this cute little ghost bucket. I can't remember where I got it from. I'm drawing a blank. I'm telling you, I've been shopping for Halloween and fall decorations since like July. So I'll make sure to link whatever I can down below. So I took away that little pumpkin dish because I forgot that I had this salt and pepper shaker that I purchased from Target. So I wanted to add those here instead. And I'm going to use that little dish on the other side of the stove.
Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse, and I'm stopping till it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are.
Let's move on to my little coffee station. I know I already decorated this in a previous video, and I still love the way that it looks. I am just adding some subtle little changes, like these mugs that I purchased from Pottery Barn. They came in a set of 2. And then I'm also adding a mug that I purchased from Marshalls. And then after that, I'm going to be adding this amber glass pumpkin canister that I got from IKEA. I was going to fill it up with coffee, but since we have been back and forth from the hospital, I haven't had a chance to go to the market and get the things that we need. So it's going to be empty for now. Then I also decided to add this funky little Halloween house that I found at Home Goods. I don't know what it was about it that drew me to it, but I don't know. I'm loving it. So I completely forgot to film myself putting this little tray together, but it's pretty self-explanatory. The tray is from Home Goods. The ghost is from Michael's. The candle is from Anthropology, and then that little arrangement in the back is from Target. I did purchase these little incense cones from Etsy, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it here and light it up.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember.
And that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I honestly love it. I'm enjoying it. It's giving me all the cozy vibes. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys all in the next video, God willing. Bye.